fixed my hair today. I don't pay much attention to my hair, but today I did.
Yep. Sorry.
I love it.
So were you home for 3 days straight? Oh. Did you have to work yesterday? Oh, Friday. That was a real bad day.